So, in the form, you start off in a natural stance, feet about shoulder width apart, and then you're going to turn into the cat stance here. Hips, kind of go on for the 45, and you're going to chamber your right fist on your hip above your belt, and your left hand is going to be stacked on top of your right hand. From here, you're going to raise up like you're doing a high block, and then this hand's going to go up like an uppercut. Okay, let's go back. Go here. 1, 2. Okay. There you go. 1, 2. The next sequence, you're going to drop your high block, your high block down, and then pull back your left hand, chamber it for a back fist, or a back hand. And then you're going to shift your feet to here. While you're doing that, you're, boom, changing the side of your stacked fist, and then going up and across, the same way you did before. After here, you draw your feet together, and now you're facing this direction. Fist stacked on the left-hand side. From here, you're going to draw your arm up like this, at the same time lifting your knee up. And then you're going to do a side kick, bring it back, and then you're going to go switch into a cat stance, into a knife hand. Okay, let's do it this direction. Over here. Up, kick, bring it back, shift, shift. Let's start back from this way, and we'll go to the next section of the form. We did the side kick into the cat stance, shuto. Then you're going to extend your left arm as your right hand comes to your left ear. You're going to step into a front stance and go forward, a knife hand. Do that one more time. Step forward. I'm just going to stay in place for the frame and go here. The next part, you're going to wipe your hand down. It's going here to here. And then you're going to step forward and do a spear hand over your other hand. So your hand is going to be right by behind your elbow. Here. Okay? So you're going to be from cat stance. 1, 2, shift here. And then you're going to do a turn. But you're going to be going 45 degrees the other direction. You're going to turn this way into a knife hand front stance. Forward, boom. Retract back, go 45 degrees the other direction, knife hand, knife hand. Okay, let me do that from the other direction so you can get an idea of what it looks like. Spear hand. Okay, from here, you use your back leg, cross step around, and you're gonna go to the left, 45 degrees opposite. This would be center when you're here. Forward, here. Bring your right hand in, step 45 degrees to the right, front stance, knife hand, reach out, knife hand. All right, the next sequence, going forward, in the reverse, the next sequence, you're gonna step out, chamber, and punch, block. From here, you're going to kick on the outside of your arm, outside the elbow. So you do the punch, block, kick, punch, block, kick, punch, block. And then from here, you're going to stack your fists, and you're going to go into a reinforced block like this. but you're going to go into it at a 45-degree that direction. So you're here, you step forward, and you do this. Okay. The next part of the form, you turn around 45 degrees the other way, do a low block, reach out, high block. Opposite direction, block, high block. And then you end it here. Okay? Now, if I go the other direction, so you can see it from the other way, we have, I will just start from this sequence here. Okay? You're here, you do the turn, knife hand, 45 degrees to the right, knife hand, step, punch, block, kick, punch, block, kick, punch, block, stack your fist to the left, turn, reinforce block, turn around, low block, reach up, high block, track back, low block, reach up, high block, and then you end the form. Here,